Arkansas, the number 33, Danny Reeves. Moving over to the number 66, a man who I think has driven 5 different cars here this year. The first time I've ever seen this 66.
Yeah.
From downtown Tunbridge Shoals, Marcus Andrews, the number 66. Next to him, the 83X former track champion here about 8,000 years ago, the 83X, the long, tall country boy, Ricky Standridge.
Woo!
And the white number 13, Jay Nova, from the big town of Scotland, Arkansas. Don't make that Cleveland, Arkansas, Billy Rose. Next to him from over at BB, a man recently just started coming to run with, the 86, Chad Isbell. Moving up to the 89 car from way up at Yellowville. He usually runs at North Central Arkansas Speedway. Come down here to run with us, the 89, Dylan Pinson. Outside him, the number 93 from up in Yale County, the town of Dardanelle, Jared Haney. Another Yale County driver, first time that Mustang's been on the track. From the big town of Ola, the number 23, Jerry Porter. Next to him is 69 JR. The young man is currently the leader of our factory stock points from Conway, Blake Payne. Moving over to the number 24 Camaro, man used to make the trip down here from Coal Hill every week. Second time he's been here this year. The number 24, Zach Oliver. And the number 28 car, according to Jim Freeman, the Scottsville real deal. Number 28, Clayton Pruitt. And the 66F, a man didn't start running here until about July, but he's come on strong every time. Several feature wins, the 66F, Preston Freeman. That chrome dome shyness out there under all that hair, that is the old crazy mountain man from Shirley, kind of by Marshall nowadays. The number 49, Sherman Pruitt. No, Sherman, Bryant, that's his name, yeah, Bryant.
Woo!
Yeah, like I don't know.
Yeah!
That good looking number 21, Kamar. Out of BB, the 21, Todd Greer. In the 15N from Benton, man drives all kind of race stars, the 15N, Arlen Stewart. In the 69, our factory stock points champion here in the 2007 season, Thomas Payne from Conway. In the number 99 from Drasco, Arkansas, that is Brent Andrews. He met his brother Marcus a little earlier. It's pretty hard. When all 5 of them show up, it really gets them in for. All right, a man's first time he's ever run on this track, and he's making it count. He won his heat race. He's starting outside pole. 600 to win the fall brawl. The number 55 from Russellville, Mason Nichols. Woo! And how about this? How about you ain't drove a race car in 100 years? You just went and bought one last week, and already you are on the pole position for the start of the fall brawl from downtown Hickory Plains. The number X66, Jerry Harris Sr. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's our 20 drivers for our fall brawl. I want to say a big thank you to our sponsors, Harrison Son Sawmill, Parker Tire from Conway, Kelton and Company Salon Incorporated in Morrilton, and Slow Bob's Bike Shop over at El Paso. Now these are factory stocks. The name's a little bit misleading.
There you go.
Mason Nichols for a little while, but he couldn't hold it. Mason pulled it off by about a tire and a nose. Mason's going to make sure he crosses all sides. He's going to go get Wade before he comes to victory lane. Some sportsmanship there, Arden Stewart out here to congratulate the winner. His first time to ever race on this speedway, and he makes it count. Out of Russellville, Mason Nichols, the number 55 machine. Getting handshakes all around. I like to see good sportsmanship like that. Arlen, the first person there to shake his hand. All right, Mason is sponsored by Laying Low Racing and Bob Moore Race Cars.
Bad they gotta hold people off for him to win.
Mechanics race a little bit later. All right, Mason, I believe, is in line to be the champion at one of the other local speedways this year. I think they have a couple more races to win. I'm not sure if Mason had